All right, let's look at a percentage problem. So a sugar solution is 8% sugar by mass. We'll say the rest of it's water. How many grams of water are there in a 2.08 pounds of this solution? Okay, so the solution, remember, a solution is made up of two parts. You got solute, in this case the sugar, and solvent, in this case the water. So we have sugar is the solute, water is the solvent, and together we make the solution. So when we see this, a 8.0% sugar solution, that means that they're mass units. So we can say 8.0 grams of sugar per 100 grams of solution. SOL apostrophe solution. So now what we need to do is figure out how much water is there in this solution. Well, what's the percentage of water? Well, if it's only sugar and water, if it's 8% sugar by mass, it must be 92% water. So we know that there are 92 grams of water per 100 grams of this solution. Okay. So that's what we're going to use. So what do we know? Well, the units of our answer, what is it? How many grams of water are there in 2.08 pounds? So grams of water are the units of our answer. So what are we going to start with? Well, we have this 8% or the 92%. That's something per something. So we're not going to start with that. Remember our rule of thumb. So we have 2.08 pounds. So we'll start with that, because that's not something per something. And that's pounds of what? Pounds of solution. So I need to get from solution to, in this case, solvent. So do I have a conversion? Oh yeah, I have 92%. So remember, this is percent by mass, so as long as they're both mass units, I could also say this is 92 pounds of water per 100 pounds of solution. I can do that. Sometime I'm going to have to convert to grams, but I can do it at the end or right now. Let's go and do it at the end just for fun. So I'm going to use my percentage. I'm going to say, okay, this is solution, so 100 pounds of solution down here, and 92 pounds of water here. So now it's just a matter of going from pounds to grams. Well, we know that conversion. We know that 1 pound of water is 454 grams of water. Bingo. Okay. Check our units. Pounds of solution, pounds of solution, pounds of water, grams of water, grams of water. All right. So now it's just a matter of plugging and chugging. So what do we have? 2.08 times 92 times 454. They just ones. Oh, now I got 100 divided by 100 equals 868 grams of water. So how many sig figs do we have? Looks like 2, 3, so it looks like 2 is going to do it for us. So it's going to be 8. That 8 here is going to make that 6 of 7. So 8.7 times 10 to the second grams of water. There we go. And that makes sense. It's almost, remember, they're 440 grams per pound, and it's almost all water, 92%. So that's not quite 900. That's a reasonable answer.